Who do you think I am? Some kind of genius? Hello, I'm Joy from 12H with absence number 8. I have built my math test once again, and here I am making a video to make up for it. Unfortunately, I couldn't do what I was planning to do with direct and much more clear explanation like I was thinking of. I have to record it directly and record this audio directly as well without any filters because of my internet. So here it is. Okay, here's question number 1, part A. State vector P, Q, and R algebraically. First, let's do A. Okay, so A, there is where the P is located. So, how we're gonna do this? Start from that square and count it all the way to that point. So it will be 1, 2, 3 squares from there. So we'll put a 3 right there. Now, we're gonna go from bottom to up. There. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And put a 6 there. And with that result, we can just put it to 3i plus 6j. Very easy, isn't it? Now, we're gonna do the same to Q. Count that Q is located there, so we'll count it the same way again. Top line. So, 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna do the bottom one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, with that much, that means we can just put a 3, 5, and 3. Then do the same thing again. Make it into 5i plus 3j. Now let's do the same with R as well over here. Now just hop boxes again. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the bottom, then 1, 2, 3, 4 on top. So that way we'll just make it R brackets with 4, add another 4. Then it'll turn into 4i plus 4j. There you go. That's your answer for part A of the question. Now we're gonna do the part B of the question. Determine the magnitude of each of the factors. So, here's what we're gonna do again. Put P and make a root. Then using from last time's result, make a 3 squared plus 6 squared. Just like that. Then we'll go down to it. Just make another roof again. Put down, make it 3 times 3, that will make it 9. Then 6 times 6, make it 36. Add those numbers together and you'll get 45. And from 45, you can extract it to 3 root 5. And with that, this will be the result for P. And using the same steps again, you would get the same results for Q and R. Now moving on to part C, determine the unit of factor P, Q, and R. So what we're gonna do for this, starting with P, we'll add the results from the previous one, aka part A, which is 3.6. Go down and make it 3 root 5. Then we'll go down again and we'll make it 3.6 have 3 root 5. Go down again and we'll make it a big bracket. 3 have 3 root 5. 0.6 have 3 root 5 and the bracket. Then we'll go down again and make it 3 half 3 root 5. Go to 1 per 5. Going down again, make it 6 per 3.5 again. And we'll get 2 per root 5. So that would mean P would equal 1 per 5.2 per root 5. And that would be the result for P. Once again, using the same method, you would get the result for Q and R for question number 1. Question number 2, part A. This one is asking for CE, so it's asking C to E. E is the midpoint of A to C, and these are the halves. So we can just make it half of C to A. Because we're half, then we'll stop at here. So that means this equals CE. To look for CA, it's just like this. We'll take from CD to DA. Here, it's known the length from D to C is Y. If we flip it around to make it C to D, then the arrow would be like this. It becomes Y minus. So it's the same with A to D with X. Flip it around, then it'll be minus X. So just now, half of minus Y and D to A is minus X. Now we just have to multiply it in, so minus half Y minus half X, that's all. For B, we already got the CE just now, so we'll put that here. So C to E, we'll assume this value as 1. What would be similar to the value 1 would be A to E. So what we know now is that CE equals to EA. So if we flip this into minus AE, so CE, and because we put it on the left side, it becomes positive. And here it's 0 because it's already empty here. So automatically AE plus CE would equal 0. Now, how much would DE be? We see here D to E, so we'll have to do this. We can use this way where we'll pull D all the way to B and make E the center. So it will make DE is the half of D to B. So that would be this. So now we can just use the same formula as the previous one. We'll make this half dA plus AB the half minus x plus minus y. So the value will be minus half x plus half y, and multiply this in and this too, and we'll get the result. For number 3, so we know the length from S to T is U factor. So now we have to find the final result using U factor. From A to B, we'll have to go through S to T. So we'll make it AS plus ST plus T to B. Because we want to go from A to B, we don't know the result. So we'll use it AS to B. If A to D, we also have to pass ST. So it becomes AS, S to T, T to D. So now CB and CD are the same way. Now we'll use an elimination system. Why? Because AC's midpoint is S. So if AS, then the value will be the same. Now we have SAS over here, but there's no SC. So we'll flip it around to the left, turns to minus, and the reason the result is 0 is because it's already empty here. So we'll just eliminate some since it's 0. Now for TB, it has the same value as T to D, so we'll just and turn this around, turn this to the left, then eliminate those, and what's left? These numbers, so the value is for ST. We already know the length is U factor, so just simply do this, and this is the final result. Well, that is all for today. I hope that video was helpful and I'm able to recover my exam score. Thank you for watching. I'm tired. I was supposed to send this in earlier, but my internet has been tripping, so Yeah, thank you for watching.